I'm Louise,
Jennifer and Sharon. I'm one of the advisors in the student money advice team, and we're here to help students with any sort of financial difficulties they may have whilst they're at university.
From application, eligibility, all the way through to once you finish your course and graduating and repayments.
I think it's a big step coming to university. It's a major adjustment period, and if students can get through that without having to worry about their finances, it's one less thing.
It's natural to feel anxious and worried, but we're here to offer reassurance and support and navigate them through those worries.
It's about helping somebody achieve what they've set out to achieve.
Come in and speak to us. Finance is a sensitive subject, but we will do our best to help you.
It's about supporting to complete the course successfully. That's what a student's here for, is to pass their course, to get a degree at the end of the day. Anything we can do to help that process better is what we're here for, really.